Chilli viewers, welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama ko ba Sandy Home Recipe. Send the kan a wo hwe me video a, memma rem subscribe. Na wa share. Na wa mia notification bell no. Send me video bia beto a wo sabeka. The be say be ice cream. E be use 2 cups milk. 1/4 cup sugar. 2 tablespoons cornstarch ba wo be ho no. Wo dey see nche now the milk na ko sija so. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Now the cornstarch na me see na gum na waka. Oka na ehu pe na watwe. Na wakohwe egu ade foforo mu. The vanilla cow na we beat. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. We are na wakohwe egu ade foforo mu. Aha no pese wo the food color ya obetimi de akan by optional umpa de enka ho na wa mix wakata so na ko share freezer for 4 hours. After 4 hours na waji na wa serve me pima twese na di kan a wo hwe me video a memma rate subscribe na wa share na wa like no we me notification bell no send the video bia beto wa wosabeka me yes ice cream na me taste yen. It tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this is our ice cream recipe without cream or flour. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.